We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone not getting emails. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's frustrating when your iPhone is not receiving emails, as perhaps you're trying to go and check your inbox for something important. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. First of all, do just make sure the internet is working on your phone. So you could open up Safari. It probably is if you're watching the video on this phone, but just make sure it's working. In this case, it is. Now, the next thing you want to do is go and drag down on the battery in the top right, and you can try turning on the airplane mode just for a few seconds, and then tap it again to turn it off. This just goes and refreshes the connection. Even if the internet wasn't working or it is working, this can still try solving it. After you've done that, come back to the mail app and you want to just go and drag down and go and see if it's now going to go and work. Hopefully it does. If it's still not receiving emails, what you want to do is just make sure you're looking in your right inbox. Press the back button in the top left. You may go and have different inboxes, so just make sure you're looking at the correct one, which I am. Just make sure you are too. The next thing you want to do is you want to come into your settings like so. Now you want to go and scroll down to apps at the bottom. Go and tap there. You want to then go and scroll down to M. This is alphabetical. As you can see here, it is, and find mail. Now what you want to do is press mail accounts and press fetch new data. And what you want to do is you want to go and have push switched on. This will just go and push and fetch your emails automatically if you're trying to expect them to come through themselves. Next, what you want to do is you want to go into your inbox here. Mine is Gmail. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove it and re-add it. This can often go and solve problems. So press delete at the bottom. Don't worry, this isn't fully deleting the account. It's deleting it from your iPhone. So press delete. Just wait for it to go and load. When this completes, it will take you back to the list. And then we're going to press add account. Then you go and enter in your email again. And you can press next in the top right. I'll press open browser. And then what we can do is go and press next. And we're going to go and sign in again. Now what you can do is choose what you want. I just go and use mail, so I'll press save. Now that you've added it again, you can come return to mail. You can come back here and find the inbox. Just go and wait while it goes and downloads the messages. Do just be patient, and hopefully now you'll be receiving emails.